Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing at the start of Mahakumbh, said the power by the innovative spirit of our Yuva Shakti, India's startups ecosystem is flourishing at an unprecedented pace. Supreme Court declined stay on CAA, set deadlines for government's response. Opening ceremony of the bilateral tri-service humanitarian assistance and disaster relief amphibious exercise between India and US triggered Trump was held on board INS Jalashwa on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Bhutan from 21st to 22nd March, keeping with the tradition of regular high-level exchanges between India and Bhutan and the government's emphasis on its neighborhood first policy. A true game changer, top India athletes hail Khelo India Financial Incentive Scheme Sports Authority of India released a total of Rs 31 crores out of pocket allowances for Khelo India athletes in fiscal year 2023-24.